This one na student affairs TV, and the subject wey I for wan teach so na be physics. We still dey under measurement of length. For inside the measurement of length so, we go talk about the micrometer screw gauge. The micrometer screw gauge dey measure length wey small pass the one wey vernier caliper dey measure. Remember say I tell una say the small length wey the meter rule dey measure na 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. Then the vernier caliper come divide that 0.1 centimeter so into 10. Na it come make the vernier caliper fit dey measure 0.01 centimeter or we fit say 0.1 millimeter. The micrometer screw gauge so dey divide that 1 millimeter so into 100. That is 1 millimeter divided by 100, which is equal to 0.01 millimeter. While the vernier caliper fit dey measure 0.1 millimeter as the smallest length, the micrometer screw gauge dey measure 0.01 millimeter as the smallest length. The micrometer screw gauge graduation na only in millimeter, and because the smallest length wey dey fit measure na 0.01 millimeter, that one na it come be the reading accuracy. As we don already know, the estimated uncertainty go come be 0.01 millimeter divided by 2, which is 0.005 millimeter. Remember say estimated uncertainty na reading accuracy divided by 2. Now make we see how to use the micrometer screw gauge take measure length. Look the diagram make you see the different parts of the micrometer screw gauge. The micrometer screw gauge na im dem dey take measure diameter like wire, thickness of paper, and things wey dey dey very tiny. The thing wey you wan measure in length so, you go put am between the anvil and the spindle. Then you go come wind the thimble until the anvil and the spindle go touch wetin you want to measure. Na from there you go come start to read the micrometer screw gauge. Like I talk before, dem graduate the sleeve in millimeter. If you see the diagram, you go see say some line go up, some line come down. The one e go up so start from 0, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and so on, until you go come reach some na 15, some na 20 millimeter, some na 25 millimeter, depend on the size. Then you go come see say the bottom line wey dey between the two lines, that one so na 0.5 millimeter. That is half of 1 millimeter. So if you dey count, you go count dey go up and down. 0, bottom come be 0.5, up 1, bottom 1.5, up 2, the next one 2.5. Dey go just like that. Just the way we get 2 scale for vernier caliper, na so we still get 2 scale for micrometer screw gauge. The main scale and the vernier scale. The main scale na im dey for the sleeve wey I don already explain so. The vernier scale na im dey for the thimble. Some people fit dey call am say na the rotating scale. This one dey divide am into 50 parts. The thimble so dey divide am into 50 parts. If you dey wind the thimble from 0, you go come turn am until you go come reach 0 again. That time the thimble go move forward by 0.5 millimeter. So if you turn the thimble from 0 until you come reach 0 again, the thimble go move forward by 0.5 or you go move backward by 0.5, depending how you dey turn am. This na half of the 1 millimeter. If you look am, you go see say if you turn am one complete turn, that is 50 parts, and e go come move 0.5 millimeter. Na im be say 50 parts move 0.5 millimeter. So if you come move am 1 part, how many millimeter e go come move? Na be say you come share the 0.5 millimeter by 50. That one go give you 0.01 millimeter. E mean say if you turn the thimble by just 1 part out of the 50 parts, the thing go shift forward by 0.01 millimeter. If you turn am by 2, e go move by 2 times 0.01 millimeter, which is 0.02 millimeter. Then if you turn am by 50 uko, na be say e go move by 50 times 0.01 millimeter, which is 0.5 millimeter. Now you don see am say the thimble dey actually dey move forward or backward by 0.01 millimeter. And na this one na be the reading accuracy. Now make we see how to use am proper. If you see the diagram so, you go see say the horizontal line wey pass the center of the sleeve, e go straight go jam one of the line when e dey for the thimble. Then first you go write down the main scale the way we take do the vernier caliper own. The main scale reading end for where the thimble take start, and for the diagram the main scale reading na 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7. So I go write 7 millimeter for ground as my main scale reading. Then I go come look where the sleeve horizontal line for take meet the thimble line, so they come straight together. From the diagram you go see say na for 13 na e take meet. Since we say 1 part of the thimble na 0.01 millimeter, e mean say 13 part go come be 13 times 0.01 millimeter. That one go come be 0.13 millimeter. You go come add am as usual. Na im be the main scale we say na 7.00 millimeter, and then the vernier scale now go come be 0.13 millimeter. If you add them together, you come get 7.13 millimeter. And then finally, we come write the estimated uncertainty when it be 7.13 millimeter plus minus 0.05 millimeter. I dey sure say you don't understand how to use the micrometer screw gauge to measure.